Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
We are going to another episode of the Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us here today. We're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to their destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello everyone, Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the 3Rivers market report for June 2024. Had a lot of up arrows, definitely dominated this week, but houses are always moving. Even if we go back to the Great Recession, houses were still being sold. We're picking up pace from last year's housing recession, showing only down 8% last 12 months sales, which remember that it peaked last year at about 18% down over the last 12 months. We saw active available homes for sale up 3% week over week. We've seen that on the rise for 4 weeks in a row. That's up 33% year over year. And those are homes that are available on the market for sale. New listings, we saw highest so far this year, came in at 186 new listings, up 18% week over week, up 8% year over year. Solds, we saw highest since June of 2022, up 61% week over week, up 25% year over year. Pendings, we saw come in up 8% week over week, down 7% year over year. That's our only down we had, was pendings are actually down 7% year over year. Median sale price came in at $260,000, which is showing about 20% appreciation over last year. So we saw last week it was up on appreciation as well. So homes still are appreciating, at least by the numbers we're seeing. Days on market slowed up a little bit to 21 average for median, but the median's about the same as last year. Versus last year it was 13 and 4. The past 12 months already covered that we're down 8% year over year. We came in at 4,336 homes sold over the last 12 months. So we're still moving up. I think we're going to level off by the end of the year, maybe see a positive. And next year's forecast is about the same. So that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.